We are on day 5080 on the roof, and I wanted to shoot a quick video. We have a new day going today, but when I shoot a quick video of something that's happening yesterday, it was just too noisy. I was wanting to get a video of it, but it was noisy, it was funny, and it had a lot of yelling. But this wall, this is between the girls' bedroom, the two dormers. The issue with this is Tim is on, obviously, the roof. He can't see where things are lined up exactly. He has a general idea, but he can't see, because you can see here, you have this piece, and then you have this piece, and then this is a rafter that he needs to nail to. So what was happening is, you can see those nails. It would be off just a little bit, and I would stand under here and I'd yell at him. Generator's going, the air pump is going, he's got the nail gun going, and he goes pretty fast, so sometimes when I yell at him, he can't hear me, so he's already on the next one. So trying to tell him where to go, which rafter it is, which direction to go, is actually quite funny. So he's yelling at me. He's like, east or west? And I'm one of those that I am directionally challenged. So he's trying to get me to do that. And so apparently I don't know my east from west, and he apparently doesn't know his left from his right. So it was quite humorous. So we'll be doing that again on this next section. The goal, and I'll try to get some more video, the goal is to get the rest of the roof done. The soffit area, the dormer area, that is definitely taking the longest. This side of the house is taking much longer than the other side. But hopefully we'll get this done. It's going to be another really hot day. Thankfully, it's getting really cool at night. So that's really nice to be able to sleep well and be able to stay here and get up earlier and get going on it. So it's going to be another hot day. Still don't know what the weather's going to do as far as rain goes. They keep changing. I mean, every day they keep changing, just depending on what those two tropical storms do, and then there's another system coming through. So we got to get this done before that gets done. Anyway, so this is where we're at. I'm not sure if Dad will be out here. We try to kind of have Dad going on a different project. Don't get me wrong, it's amazing to have him out here. We're so thankful, we're so grateful to have him out here. He's been, like when he did the chicken, he did it all himself. And he enjoys it. It's just when you have two different styles, and you have two different people who are very independent, and they want to do it their way. You know, Tim's my husband, so he'll tell me to do things, and Dad is my dad. So with my dad, he's doing it his way, so I kind of just sit back, and I just follow along. I don't give any input, I don't give any suggestions, because, you know, there's no point. Anyway, so it's just funny, because like I said, I've helped my dad on some projects, and I know that my husband would probably do it a different way, but you know what, I'm his daughter, I'll follow along and go with that. Oh, it'll be so nice when this is done. Now, the big downside, which thankfully I know it's still August, and we still have a good month of summer left, but this time of year, we start getting the cool nights and all of that, so it's not as unbearable. What I'm getting at is, with the decking and the insulation on the roof, it cuts down all the breeze. So even if we've had a breeze, which has been a saving grace earlier this summer when it's been so hot, we don't have that anymore, but thankfully we do have the cool of the mornings and the evenings to really cool things down. Making progress. Super exciting.